On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram request problem. So if you have any problem with the request on Instagram, this video is gonna be so helpful for you. So please keep watching until the end. So first step you have to do, guys, is just open the Play Store. After you open the Play Store, go to the search bar and search for Instagram. Now here I want you to check if you have this update option. You should click on it to update your Instagram app, because it's 100% that you don't have the last version if you can see the update. Then go back and go to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and the networks, and then go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then disable it again. After that, go to the apps manager, go to the apps, and then scroll down until you find Instagram and click here on force stop. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe if this video was helpful.